Alright, hey guys, welcome back. I'm going to update you with my Project Pan 2008 where I attempt to pan 10 items. And as you can see here, we are down to 7 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, everything that I've completely used up will recap at the end of the year. And the next Project Pan will be my very last and final one for 2018. And if you don't know, project panning is where you attempt to hit pan on some of your makeup products. Like you can see, I've done in this Graveyard Girl Swamp Queen palette from Tarte. I had some pan in Sippy Sippy last time, it's still there. Still no pan anywhere else. And I should push myself to use this guy more. Remember my Sido Rouge? Well, this was probably the worst product for me to pick for Project Pan. I still have made terrible progress. I love the color, I just haven't been wearing a red lip very often. And I tend to stray to something new instead of coming back to this one. So, I mean, we're still going into Christmas. I still have lots of time to use it. So, must not forget about this one. Another lip product, my Buxom lip gloss. I'm pretty sure it's about the same amount of product left as my Q2 video. So I need to continue focusing on this one and not reaching for my Fenty Gloss Bomb because I reach for that one a lot. But this one, like, I can guarantee will be done by the end of the year. I have this Sephora Colorful Cheek Ink and I use it occasionally. Again, I need to use it more. I feel like if it's not completely empty by the end of the year, I'm just gonna trash whatever little bit is left. It was just a tiny little free sample and it's lovely, but I have other very similar colors. So we'll see. Maybe at the end of the year I'll cut into it to see how much we had left. Another tube, I have the Ambient Light Correcting Primer. This is from Hourglass, and oh my god, it's so hard to get this product out. I'm so close to being completely done with it. I feel like the product itself is kind of at its last legs by now. I feel like it's kind of starting to like smell a little bit off, but I'm sure I only have a few uses left of it, so I'm just gonna push through. And then again at the end of the year, we'll cut into it and see what it actually looks like. My Tartelette Tease palette from Tarte. Check that out. Bang bang, 2 huge pens, Whisper and Wink, and I'm really not afraid to really like dig into them and pick up the color. I've been trying to, you can see I've kind of dug into Heartbreaker as well, but still a lot of work to go on these 4 shades. I wonder if I can completely empty these ones out by the end of the year. I definitely do find when you're project panning, you don't feel bad about like picking up a ton of product if you need to. So great work on that guy. And that leaves one last product, the Too Faced Love Flush in Baby Love. Check that out. Last update, there was not an ounce of pan visible, but now you can see we have a ton of pan visible. I think it's because I kind of evenly worked down the middle of the product, so when pan did get revealed, it all came up kind of at once. So amazing product. It's still an amazing blush. I still love wearing it, even though I use it pretty much every day to push myself. I'll be sad when it's gone, and I'll definitely consider repurchasing. And that is it, my friends. That is my Q3 updates of Project Pan 2018. And I will see you all at the end of December for my finale. Wish me luck on using these bad boys up. If you are also doing Project Pan, make sure you share your progress down below. Make sure you like and subscribe down below as well. And a huge shout out to my patrons for helping me bring these videos to you guys. Thanks to you for watching. And with that, I will see you all in my next beauty video.